India's top court on Thursday adjourned the hearing till 18th of July. A batch of petitions alleging irregularities in the NEET undergraduate 2024 examination that was held on the 5th of May. A bench of Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices J.P. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra adjourned the hearing for next Thursday to enable the petitioners to file their responses to the affidavits for a localized set of candidates benefiting, leading to abnormal scores. The government further says that counselling will be conducted in 4 rounds starting in the 3rd week of July. And joining me is my colleague Vikas Sarthi. Vikas, what more can you tell us about what transpired in the court?
Right, Ramesh. So the Supreme Court was of the view that both these documents, the affidavit filed on behalf of the Education Ministry and the National Testing Agencies, were filed late in the evening, and parties are not able to go through all the details which have been given in these 2 affidavits. And apart from it, Ramesh, CBI has also filed a status report in a sealed envelope before the Supreme Court. So petitioner must get some time, some opportunity to go through those documents, and then Supreme Court will hear petitioners on certain aspects which have been put by the centre as well as the NTA. So both the NTA and the centre are denying any kind of paper leakage. They are saying that there was some irregularities on certain examination centres, but it is not correct to say that paper was leaked and there was any kind of leakage on mass level. So it was limited. All those irregularities were limited to particular centres, and that too is under investigation. In that affidavit also, NTA has said that all these allegations, like Bihar police registered certain FIRs and conducted an investigation. Now these investigations are being taken over by the CBI, and CBI has already given a status report. So what is the correct status of those allegations? We will be able to know once this status report is read by the court. So as of now, centre as well as the NTA are denying any kind of paper leak. Apart from it, they have also said that the data analytics given by the IIT Madras also reflects that there was no mass irregularities or any kind of anomaly in giving scores to students. As far as the toppers are concerned, the centre has said that toppers have secured numbers from across the country, from different states and different examination centres. So all these allegations that a particular centre was given paper in advance, these allegations are incorrect. But as far as the investigation is concerned, we will have to wait for the status report of the CBI, which is likely to be read by the court on next date of hearing, that is 18th of July. Ramesh.
Vikas, pending that investigation, has the court given any indication whatsoever on a demand for holding the examination again?
Ramesh, on the last hearing, CJI very clearly mentioned that he is also not in favor of re-examinations, provided that any kind of beneficiary of these irregularities must be identified and must be punished. In fact, court said that in absence of a clear report whether there was some beneficiaries to these irregularities, it will be unfair to those students who have secured marks and have secured a position in merit. So in fact, Supreme Court is also of the view that re-examination is the last option, and after that we have seen that NTA and centre are saying that as of now no beneficiary has been identified by the teams which were constituted when this whole controversy unearthed by state police of Bihar and in some other states as well. So re-examination is the last option, and in fact if you go through the adjournment date, court has adjourned the case by a week. So it seems that court is also not of the view that re-examination will be the practical solution. In fact, what we can expect from the court is that these 2 exercises, the counselling process and admission process and the investigation of CBI, will run parallel, and any candidate who is identified as beneficiary of any illegal means or any unfair means will be disqualified from the examination, and in fact he will be barred to appear in the examination for coming year as well. So these 2 exercises will run parallel. We expect that court is not going to order any kind of re-examination at this point in time.
Vikas, thank you. Appreciate it. Vikas Sarthi reporting there from New Delhi. Moving on, India's Central Bureau of Investigation has found that a young man allegedly circulated a doctored screenshot of the UGC NET examination paper on instant messaging app Telegram. The agency is likely to file a charge sheet against the man. The National Testing Agency cancelled the UGC NET examination on 19th of June, saying that the integrity of the examination may have been compromised.